Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. HMI was founded nearly 50 years ago because of an innovative idea. HMI invented and distributed the first hydraulic mud pump, which has been the standard of an industry which lifts and levels sunken concrete for 5 decades. The innovation continued as they subsequently designed and distributed complementary trailer, truck, and mixing units to perpetually improve productivity. HMI again revolutionized the industry when it designed and offered trailer and truck units which utilized a polyurethane foam for concrete repair. They turned heads by offering a turnkey business package, including training allowing nearly anyone to enter the industry. The key to the success of this offering was HMI chemistry. HMI is focused on sustainability. Over 40% of HMI's polyurethane is manufactured using recycled materials. That's pretty impressive considering there is absolutely no other polyurethane material on the market that offers this type of reduced carbon footprint. Today, HMI's American-made equipment is on every continent of the world. Innovation never stops as they have designed and built the industry-leading Elite 1 injection gun, soil stabilization systems, void filling systems, and offer engineering support for their customers and a university for continuous and ongoing training. HMI has unparalleled customer service support. With HMI, you are given a dedicated account manager and 24/7 support from a team who has years of concrete raising industry experience. Their offering is not a franchise. HMI offers the equipment, the training, the supplies, and support to its profitable customers. Made by contractors, for contractors. For more information, go to hmicompany.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.